In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can cancel Shopify app subscription. Now, a lot of YouTubers, a lot of people on YouTube, they say that you have to delete the app from your Shopify store and then the app will stop charging you, which is not true because I have removed an app and the app still charges me. And until I did this, a lot of my friends, like the same thing happened to them. They deleted the app, but the app still charges them. Now, how you can fix this problem? It's actually easy. So I just opened this Shopify store to test this. Now you want to go to settings at the very bottom left, and after that, as you can see, a few different options will come up here. Now you want to click on apps and sales channels, and here you will find the list of apps. Okay, now you want to select the app that you are currently paying for. So a lot of people say that you just want to click on install and then select a reason and then delete. No, that's not how it works because the app will still charge you. Okay, now how you can actually cancel the app subscription? You want to click on the app. Okay, you want to click on it. Okay, and here you want to find something that says here cancel subscription or anything like that. You want to search for it here. Okay, you might find it in the top here or here, anywhere here. Now if you don't find anything, you want to click on get support, and you want to contact the owner of the app. Okay, now we just want to contact the owner, and then you can just talk to him like say, I want to cancel the subscription, stuff like that. Okay, now that's exactly, guys, how you can cancel app subscription on Shopify. Okay, you want to just search, like I said, for that, and here you will find the app subscription, as you can see. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next